Well, the value of PredictPulse, in my opinion, is the peace of mind it brings. I've always viewed it similar to the alarm for your house. You hope you never have to use it, but in the event something terrible happens, someone's there looking out for you.
The UPS system is operating 24/7, pretty critical equipment. Having PredictPulse can give us an idea of when those parts may fail so that we can catch them ahead of time. We can schedule a service rather than waiting for the device to fail.
PredictPulse, for the customer at least, it's nice because they wear a lot of different hats. We set up the PredictPulse and they're able to sit back and understand that Eaton has them covered. When we get there, we do our best to start quickly, be proficient. We'll work around the clock until it's done.
What PredictPulse does is it makes everything more proactive, or we're calling them to let them know that this is going on. You might want to take a look at your unit to make sure everything is okay.
Having PredictPulse gives us an extra set of eyes into the system so that we can take care of the customer and be ready for them.
PredictPulse picks up on so much, and we're collecting so much information that we can really dial it in before we even get there. One of the universities near us was having cooling issues, and PredictPulse was actually able to notify them before their other equipment was damaged.
We had a hospital one time that had a cardio cath lab. Customer called with an alarm. The CSE logged into the system. They had the part shipped to the local airport counter to counter, returned back to the site to repair the unit, and had it fixed the first day.
By us monitoring their equipment, we're able to make sure that everything is working as it should.
If you're talking about alarms or downtime or any issues that happens,
our main mission is to take care of the customer as quickly as possible. Our goal is to get everything fixed the first time. PredictPulse is great for any customer.